This is Megamaster How To. Ek is Leon Groep. I am Leon Groep. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the burners on your gas braai. Now, before I show you how to replace the actual burners, let's just have a look what's inside this thing. So this contraption I took from here. Okay, so you've got your regulator, you've got your hose, and the gas connects to this little thingy. And remember, it's not lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, it's the other way around. You get the manifold, the jet, I don't think that one's gonna fly, the orifice, and then finally your actual burner and igniter wire and pin. This fits snugly on here. Now you should replace your burners at least once a year when you see weird stuff starting to happen. Like the braai doesn't reach temperature, it heats unevenly. You start to burn the chops all of a sudden. The burner makes popping noises. Or you see rust on the burner. Now first things first, we're going to remove the actual burner from the braai. Then you use a paper clip to unclog the holes in the burner, keeping it vertical, want die koetjies val nou hier uit. It's dripping. Then you use a lappie and a braai degreaser to clean the burner. After cleaning, put the burners back into the braai, and if it still doesn't work, I'm going to show you how to replace the burners. First off, you're going to remove the grids and the tame flamers, the flame tamers. Next, you're going to remove the igniter wire by loosening up these screws. Keep in mind that this might look a little bit different than the one you've got. With this model, you just let the pin hang loose on the side, and then you're going to remove the actual burner by loosening up this screw. Use little pliers to remove the main burner pin and remove your burner. Now, there are different types of burners for different types of products. If you're not sure which one you have, go onto our website under spare parts and find the matching one. Nou ja, toe. This was Megamaster How To.